Welcome to Strategic Management course. This video briefly describes scanning the environment. The firm's environment is very important since to manage the organization effectively, managers need to properly understand the environment. Scholars have divided environment into two parts, internal and external environments. The internal environment generally consists of those elements that exist within or inside the organization, such as physical resources, financial resources, human resources, information resources, technological resources, organization's goodwill, corporate culture, and the like. The internal includes everything within the boundaries of the organization. The elements of internal environment are owners and shareholders, board of directors, employees, organizational culture, resources of the organization, and organization's image or goodwill. Let us see each of them briefly. Owners and or shareholders are the people who invested in the company and have property rights and claims on the organization. Board of directors is the governing body of the company who is elected by the stockholders, and they are given the responsibility for overseeing the firm's top managers such as the general manager. Employees or the workforce are the most important element of an organization's internal environment, which performs the tasks of the administration. Organizational culture is the collective behavior of members of an organization and the values, visions, beliefs, habits that they attach to their actions. Resources of the organization are those resources that can be discussed under five broad heads, such as physical resources, human resources, financial resources, informational resources, technological resources. Physical resources include land and buildings, warehouses, all kinds of materials, equipment, and machinery. Organizational image and goodwill is the reputation of an organization, which is very valuable, intangible asset. High reputation or goodwill develops a favorable image of the organization in the minds of the public. The external environment is the world at large, which forms the external environment for the business. The firm must confront, adopt to, take advantage of, and defend itself against what is happening in the world around it to succeed. To make gathering and interpreting information about the external environment easier, strategic analysts have defined several general categories of activities that managers should examine and understand. Figure at the side illustrates the categories found in a firm's environment. A firm's macro environment contains elements that can impact the firm but are generally beyond its direct control. PESTEL. There are six types of environmental influences in the PESTEL framework. They are political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal. One should not see them as independent factors. They are all interdependent. For example, technological advances can affect the economy, etc. The six factors mentioned above make up the acronym PESTEL. Each letter represents one factor. It is often called PESTEL, PEST, STEEP, and staple or similar analysis. Political factors. Politics plays an important role in business. This is because there is a balance between systems of control and free markets. Political factors may even help determine the location of corporate headquarters. Some of the political factors one need to watch are tax policies, stability of government, entry mode regulations, social policies such as social welfare, etc., and trade regulations such as NAFTA and European Union. Economic factors or metrics that measure the health of any economic region. The economic state will change a lot during the time. Some of the examples of economic factors are disposable income of buyers, credit accessibility, unemployment rates, interest rates, and inflation. The social factors or the assess the mentality of individuals or consumers in a given market. These are also known as demographic factors. Social indicators like exchange rate, GDP, and inflation are critical to management. The following are some social factors to focus on: population demographics, whether aging population or not, distribution of wealth, changes in lifestyle and trends, and educational levels. The technological factors recognizes the potential technologies that are available. Technological advancement can optimize internal efficiency and help a product or a service from becoming technologically obsolete. List of common technological factors are new discoveries and innovations, rate of technological advances and innovations, rate of technological obsolescence, and new technological platforms. Environmental factors. This step studies the impact of environmental factors, which is a rising concern now. Note that the environmental benefits the company too. Running water, for example, for hydro power plant. Few common environmental factors are waste disposal laws, environmental protection laws, energy consumption regulation, and popular attitude towards environment. The legal environments, which is more important, particularly if a company it does not act responsibly, because legal issues arise mainly to those companies which do not follow them. This step helps to avoid legal pitfalls. Common legal factors that companies focus on include employment regulations, competitive regulations, health and safety regulations, product regulations, antitrust laws, and patient or patent infringements. Now I think you have gained some insights into the scanning of the environment for business purpose. Thank you.